You are looking at two machines that represent the premium step up in their lineups, but they handle comfort and durability very differently. On one hand, you have the Maytag PSH4BF, a rugged two-stage unit. On the other hand, you have the Ruud Endeavor RP15AY, which focuses on engineering scale. Most homeowners get blinded by the efficiency sticker. There is a massive gap in how these companies protect your wallet 10 years from now. I spent over 17 years in the field, including time as a Navy nuke electrical operator. I have seen exactly where these systems fail when the temperature drops. If you choose the wrong one, you are not just losing efficiency, you are losing comfort on windy nights. Both the Maytag and the Ruud are premium Tier 2 stage systems. They take two very different approaches to protecting your investment. When we talk build quality, we look at the cabinet and the coil. Both feature louvered steel panels that protect delicate fins from hail and debris. Ruud used to have wire guards, but the Endeavor line now offers armored protection. Now let us talk about the heart of the system, the efficiency, and the compressor. Both units sit at a solid HSPF 2 rating of 8.1. Because they are two-stage machines, they can drop to a lower speed to maintain consistent temperature. That reduces annoying hot and cold spots around the house. The Maytag pulls ahead on airflow with a 2-speed condenser fan. What you are really paying for is the brand backbone. Ruud is a flagship brand under the Rheem umbrella. Maytag is manufactured by Nortec Global HVAC, and they remain separate entities. Maytag positions itself as the dependable choice backed by a strong warranty. For equipment alone, the Maytag averages about $1,649 and the Ruud about $2,120. With professional installation, the Maytag averages $7,600 while the Ruud is around $7,000. You might pay a bit more for the Maytag install, but it can buy long-term value. Pro tip, clean your coils regularly to avoid efficiency loss. 5 minutes with a hose once a year can save you a multi-thousand repair bill. This is where the two brands show their hands on warranty. Ruud gives you a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year unit replacement. If the compressor fails in the first decade, they will replace the whole outdoor unit. Maytag goes further with a 12-year parts warranty and a 12-year unit replacement. Those extra 2 years are critical because major components start showing their age then. Winner Maytag PSH4BF. It is a tight race, but Maytag takes the trophy for extra warranty protection. You are getting a 2-stage system with a warranty that covers you long after others have clocked out. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com.